Hey guys, welcome back to TechForce, and today we're going to be doing the first ever massive unboxing video. So I've got my Swiss Army knife here to use to unbox these packages. So I think we should start with the smallest, so let's go ahead and unbox this one. So I think we just rip this open here. Just cut that open. Okay, so inside here, just throw this inside. So inside here, what have we got? We've got these wireless earbuds. So let's take a look at what the box says. High fidelity audio, IP67, dustproof and waterproof. Music, videos and calls. So this looks quite interesting. So for each of these products, be sure to stay on this channel to watch in-depth tech reviews of each of these products later on. So we can go ahead and open up this box. So here's the earphones and some nice casing. I think the case is also a charger, a portable charger itself. That's why I think it's got out and in. There's a port here to charge with. But we'll take a more in-depth look later on in the future. And be sure to stay tuned to my channel for a full review of these earphones. So next, I think we should move on to this, the next smallest package. So I haven't unboxed any of these yet, so I don't really know what's going to be in these packages. So I don't think we need a knife for this one. But inside we have a USB-C hub from ICZI, I think that is. Yep. So we can go ahead and peel off the casing with our Swiss Army knife. So I'll cut it here, cut it along here, and cut a bit into the box there. Okay, let's peel off this packaging. Let's take it out. So, what's this? Product return and warranty card. Let me just check that to the side, I don't really need that. Ooh. So this comes in a really nice case. It's like a really nice material, this is. So we can open it from here. This is probably just to prolong its life span. We've got loads of ports here. So let's go through each of the ports. So we got VGA, we've got HDMI, we've got a LAN, so an Ethernet port, and I assume this is the charging port. So this could be used for like a MacBook Pro or something, like 2018 models, and this is a charging port for them. And we've got TF or SD card slot. So these are two slots here for those cards. And then we've got 4 USB ports. So these are USB 3 ports. So yeah, so this is quite a nice grey metal material. It seems really durable. So I think this would look nice when it goes with a MacBook. It's quite a similar colour to one of the MacBooks. So if we take a closer look at this, we've got like a little pouch here. So I assume this could be for any cables you have. So there's nothing in here at the moment, but we could probably put any cables or anything in here that you might need to take with you. So this is a really nice attachment. This is a really nice accessory for your MacBook Pro. So I'll just put this to the side again. You can just chuck the box away and just leave this here like that. So next biggest one, we've got this package here, so we can just pull this out of the box. Wrapper. Chuck that to the side. Okay, so it's quite nicely packaged away. So let's just wrap it through here. Wow, this is really, really well packaged. Okay. So this is Pluto. I think so. This is a drone. I think it's a modular drone, more custom built drone where you can program and make all the functions yourself, control loads of the functions yourself. So we can take a look inside, just a quick look. So wow, so that's the drone, Pluto X. It's got this whole circuit board here. It's got Wi-Fi. It smells quite unusual, and it's quite big. If you compare it to the size of my hand, it's quite a large drone. So we've got all of these manuals and everything as well. So if we just close that, what's this? Oh, it's a little letter. You can read it if you like. You can just pause the video here and read it if you want. Yeah. So this is Pluto drone. So we're going to be taking a closer look at that later on in the video. I mean, not in this video, in a later video. Let's just throw this rubbish away. Okay, so this, I'm assuming, looks like another drone at the front cover. Lithium ion battery. Just rip this back. All these Amazon packages, they don't really need an you know. There we go. There it is. Okay, so we've got the Red Pulse Blast R020 drone. So it's got a 720p camera, Wi-Fi, 1 key tape plan. It's all the standard really. I can just take a closer look around the box if you like. So it's got an app to control it. So this looks quite interesting. So stay tuned to my social media and everything. YouTube, social media, and there'll be some information regarding each of these products over there. So yeah, we can take just a really quick look inside. Okay, so it's not the most attractive packaging, obviously. It's not the most professional. It doesn't compare to DJI or anything. It's just basic toy drone stuff. So here's the drone. It's a little bit, seems a little plasticky. I don't know, not really. I won't turn on. Let's see, that's that one button there. So yeah, seems okay. There's the battery. Yeah, so we'll take a look at that in a later video. So that's it from this, from my first unboxing, massive unboxing video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So remember to stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, each of these products are going to be fully reviewed later on in some other full reviews. So remember to go ahead and watch them and take a look at some of my previous videos. So thanks for watching and goodbye.